Everyone talks about comfrey being the plant every garden needs as a green fertilizer, compost booster, and essentially a living mulch. But where the heck are we planting it? It's not a typical companion plant, so it's not on all the normal lists. But overarchingly, the internet recommends it be planted at the base of fruit trees. Comfrey outcompetes weeds and grass, while its deep taproot pulls nutrients up, making them accessible for trees. The reality is, comfrey can be planted anywhere, from partial shade to full sun, as long as the soil is moist and well draining. It's a perennial, it comes back every year, and in the proper conditions should multiply quickly.